Hey, welcome back. In this video, we'll see how we can set up our gold layer in our medallion pattern. So for that, we will be creating a new fabric warehouse and we will explore several technologies for loading the data into the warehouse, including the views, cross-database joins, and even CTAs, which is create table as select statements. So you have already streamlined your kitchen operations, right? Now you have built up the gold wall. Now it's time for you to build the gold vault, a luxury cold room that holds only the choices, fully prepped final ingredients and recipes ready for assembly at the chef's pass. That's it, right? So to build this or create this warehouse, what you have to do is you have to ensure that your restaurant's high security final staging area for dishes which is about to be plated, everything should be top quality, right? This is the step where everything should be perfectly prepped and arranged for instant use. So for that, we will be creating a warehouse. So to begin this, let's navigate to the warehouse experience within your workspace. Click on warehouse from the tiles. You can name this one as gold warehouse and click on create. Now you have a blank warehouse. Let's start loading up the table. So first we will be creating and loading a table using a create table insert into statement. So we'll be using a T-SQL to create a table in the warehouse. So from the workspace landing page, click new SQL query, and from the actions ribbon at the top and write the create table statement something like this. And once you click run, the schema of the warehouse will update to reflect the newly created empty table. So what this SQL statement is doing is it's creating a new dim customer table along with this all these columns which are being mentioned like the ID, name, and all the other important relevant information. Next, let's click on new SQL query again from the top ribbon to open up a blank query. Click the plus warehouses button and you can check Silver Lake House here. Now once this Silver Lake House is added, we will be writing another and this insert into statement like this. And finally, if you click on the dim customer table, it will preview the newly loaded data. There you go. So from the Silver Lake House, we now have this customer table added into our gold, into our gold lake house. Now there are other ways as well to create and load the tables. One such mechanism is using create table as select. So combining create and load with CTAs, what you can do is in your fabric warehouse you can combine the table creation and data loading process using this statement functionality. So to start, you can again click on new SQL query and just write the following SQL statements. You can also use this drag and drop functionality so that you can get the three-part identifier. And once this is executed for the stock items table, this will be added in your warehouse. Pretty easy, right? Similarly, we can also create and load the table using create and copy into statements as well. So for the copy into structure, it allows you to copy into from using supported data formats from an external location, maybe such as blob storage. So that is something which you can add on as well. So just like that, once all the tables are loaded, properly clean, your gold warehouse is set up. So now, by the end of adding all of these tables, your gold vault shines properly with every table, nicely structured and added, which can be used further by for creating semantic models, Power BI reports, and we'll be exploring those in the further upcoming videos. So, hope this one was useful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment and we'll meet again.